Eve.
I fell asleep.
Don't.
Someone must have been watching us.
You might have just wandered off.
Someone must have seen something.
They said we should go home.
I'm not leaving here.
Lauren and Callie need you. I'll stay. I'll be here.
Will you?
I'll stay.
He may have hurt himself or fell under something. I covered every inch of that park, but the streets.
I'll be here. You go to the girls.
They're gonna ask me what happened.
It's not your fault.
It is.
It isn't. And don't go and tell them that.
Say that. Say that we're gonna find him.
Of course we'll find him. How can we not find him? They said they'd drive you. Eve?